Alrighty, guys, day 2 of Windows XP. Well, guys, I haven't had a bad experience so far yet with it. I mean, every system crashes, every software crashes. I mean, I'm not gonna lie about it, but it's the truth. Let's see. Well, we're gonna name this video "Time Changes," and well, reason why I wanted to make this video and point out a few things or so is it is true, guys. Times are changing, and they're changing fast. And of course, as time progresses, we have better technology as day passes. We have better software, better hardware, more memory, and so forward. Um, I my personal opinion is that Microsoft should have never released Windows Vista. I am not going to lie, there are some features that I like about Windows Vista, as the visual and the icons, and just presentations. That's all Windows Vista has, presentations. And so, like Windows 7 too, all it is presentations. I'm not saying Windows 7 and Vista are bad, but I've had a horrible experience with, well, we should say A, Windows 7, and let's make it B, Windows Vista. Yeah, reason being, because again, as you must have heard, a couple of people on YouTube that are famous, they've been having software issues, and they're not compatible with Windows 7 or Windows Vista, as I should point out. And also, one of the reasons why I like Windows XP so much is because of one software, and is going to be this one, MSN Explorer. That was my first internet of choice when I got my first computer back in 2001. My first computer was a Sony Vios, 1 gig. Wow, 1 gig compared to what the one I have now, which is a 2.0 gig, and more memory as I had with other computers. And like I said, times will change, and times is changing rapidly. I know when they developed this Windows, they still have a few bugs in it, like Windows Vista, for example. Supposedly they say that they don't have bugs, but they have. Trust me, and they always will. That's what happens when they start testing out with new Windows, and just like with everything, with new cars and cell phones and so forward. Just like when they started out with the iPad. I think it's ridiculously too expensive to buy. $500 for an iPad. I mean, if you got the money to spend on it, congratulations. But first of all, you can't fit that in your pocket. There's no way you could fit that in your pocket. You know, uh, just buy an iPod. I mean, it's not the same thing, but people most of the times are not happy with it. That's how we are. That's why we're in the country we are right now, and that's why we're in the mess we are right now as well. Let's not get into politics. I really don't like it. Anyways, yeah. Pretty much. I first when I first got my Sony Vios out. What I really enjoyed the most of it was, wow, back then in 2001, not a lot of people for home use had CD burners. And that was one of the biggest changes that I ever had when I bought my Sony Vios, CD burners. Nowadays everybody has CD burners in their computers. And they're incredibly cheap to buy. Don't get me wrong, there are some that are expensive, but some are just the cheapest. And just I sort of had to go back to Windows XP because I know sooner or later their updates are gonna expire, and I wish Microsoft would not let those updates expire and just keep continuing running and running, you know. But they had to, like, for example, when somebody, I was reading it on YouTube the other day. Somebody had a saying that Windows Millennium was a big mistake. Again, I think Windows Vista is a big mistake that Microsoft made. Don't you see a little bit of difference in there with Windows Millennium and Windows Vista? I pretty much think they're both mistakes. Anyways, guys, at the end of this blog, please, if you're interested, don't forget to comment and rate, and take care, guys, and we'll see how my computer keeps running with Windows XP, and take care.